Hello, and welcome back to How to Art. Some of you may be aware that the reason I'm making videos is because I want to boost my online presence, as I am currently making a comic book. I released the trailer on the 28th of August and I decided to make a motion comic of the short, similar to how Watchmen did it back in 2008. With that being said, I present to you the motion comic of my trailer for Chances. He has 9 chances, doesn't he? The cat has 9 lives. Or so says the quote. There is some speculation on this. Whether the cat can physically die 9 times before it's permanent, or that cats are lucky and always land on their feet. This is why I like the number 9. It isn't too random and seems considerably smaller than 10. So yes, 9 chances for me to win and you to lose. You only need to survive 9 attempts on your life, which is still less risky than most careers. The cat has 9 chances. I just need 1.